Wow, it's very hard to God. Yeah. Anyway, I entered. Hello friends, this is Nitin. Today we are going to watch Treehouse. Behind me you can see that treehouse and all. So let's see. This is a step we can climb to the treehouse. See. This is very beautiful. This place also very nice, and this tree house also they maintain very well and very nicely. See, it's look very awesome. Let's see the inside views. Now I am just climbing. Yeah, it's look like I'm going to heaven or somewhere. Yeah, it's very heavy, and I have to be careful also. See. This is tree house. I'm going there. Hey guys, it has a two part. Actually, I almost reached. See, it has a name also. Tavalam. Very nice. And it has a two part. Let's see. I reached. See, its name. And it has a door. See, it's door. It's fully built in this big tree only. Yeah, very nice. There's full of water and everything. Let's see the just entering to the house. Yeah, see, it's they built for a chair, like something we can sit here. So we can sit here. So the other part, here is a window. And here is a storage space. Wow, it's very nice. I think someone is sleeping here. Here is a pillow and some other things also here. See, it's very nice. And this place we can use to for sitting as well as sleeping also. Very nice. Here is a balcony, and this views are also very nice. And here is, see, one bell is here. And I think some students or someone is studying or doing some work here. Anyway, here you see, here also here also one portion. I am sitting that here only inside that tree house. Let's see what is inside this room and all. They are maintained very nicely. They built very nicely, but very hard to enter here. See, it's a small space. Not only small, but it's big. See, it's very hard to enter here, but very nicely they built here. Yeah, we can see the views and all. Yeah, very nice. See the views. And here also 3 windows. 1, 2, 3. 3 windows are there. Yeah, see the tree. Yeah, let's see the views. This is the first window, and that is the second one, and there is the third one. See, in my top, this much only the top clearance and everything. We can sit only. We can stand. We cannot stand here, but very nicely. We can sit here very nicely. Wow. Let's see the outside view. See, Idiki Dam and all. Very beautiful. Yeah, this one is the third window. Yeah, we can see the views from here. Yeah. See, this much of height we have. We are in super. Problem is actually here is a small place. Actually, it's very hard to enter and exit for me. Anyway, we have to exit now. So, let it go. It's very hard to. God, yeah. Anyway, I entered, escaped. Guys, this is called Rand. The purpose of this one is light. It will produce light. See, this is the view from the big window. We can sit here and see what. Yeah, they put some bells here, and very nicely they maintained. Wow. And inside we can see, like, see that tree, a top. That's a door. There also one sitting place, and here also there is balcony also. There is a storage space, and under here also some place to sit or sleep. Anyway, very nice. Here is a window, and here is the door. See this ladder, it's very thin, and this is the balcony. Yeah, this is a view from balcony, and we can see that hanging bridge also. That's a Kovil Mala. It's a part of Idiki Dam river, dam water. If you enjoyed this video, we can see a variety and a good video in next. Okay, bye bye.